Hey everyone, my name's Alex Ryan. Welcome back to another video. I'm author of How to Import from China and Make a Fortune. I've been teaching people how to import from China for over 10 years. Today's video is how to get free samples from factories. Let's get started. Welcome back everyone. So good to have you here. A big question I get a lot is how do I get free samples from factories? And I think factories, they've come to expect this now because I've been making videos showing people how to do it. Now that everyone's doing it, it's not as easy as it once was, but it's still very possible and plausible. I used to get free samples from factories, and they usually do send you free samples if you're a past customer and you've ordered through them a few times and they know that you are legitimately a business. If you're just contacting them out of the blue on Alibaba on a message saying, I want a free sample, it's not going to be that easy. But if you're really, I want a free sample, and you're really headstrong about that, that's good. Okay, well, there will be sometimes a small sample cost. Actually, let me tell you a story right now. I'm ordering a sample right now from a factory, a supplier, for a certain cosmetic label, and I'm actually ordering about a couple of hundred of these bottles, and I wanted a sample. So before ordering these hundreds of about 400 or 500 bottles, there's an offer for me to sample them, and they know I'm legitimate, but even still they're going to charge me. So I'm paying about a third of the price, and I'm going to pay for shipping, all right, but I'll get that sample so I can sample test and then order. So this is something that you guys just keep in mind, that you may be willing, you may be offered a sample, but don't be afraid of paying for shipping and paying a little bit of money to the supplier, because sometimes that is needed to get the samples essentially. Okay, so if Chinese factories, they want to make sure you're legitimate, they want to make sure you're not just going to run away with their samples. But once you have a few orders of them, what you'll find is they'll start sending you free samples. And when that happens, that's a great thing, right? So again, you're going to pay shipping, but make sure they don't have your DHL or your FedEx client number, because they'll just put the free shipping on that. So you'll be paying for it without you knowing. Okay, so you have these surprise parcels in the mail, and they'll have your DHL number, and effectively you're still paying for the shipping, and it's quite expensive. China Post is the cheapest for free samples, okay, but it does take 30 days to get to you. So, all right guys, thank you for joining me today. If you want a free video series, head over to my website, www.import-export-coaching, and I've got a phone number on the screen here, 02-8003-7534. That's the Australian number. In the description, I've got a USA number and a UK number. If you have any questions or you're looking to work with me, I do train some select clients. I am looking for 3 clients right now. If you fit what I'm looking for, if you've got an idea or you've got a product idea and you want to take it to market, we've got 3 spots open right now. So give us a call, contact us, and I'll send you more details on how you can apply for this. But I head over to China many times a year. I'm heading over to Canton Fair again this year, so I'm looking forward to seeing my clients. But yeah, I do enjoy this business very much. So guys, thanks for joining me in the studio, and I'll talk to you real soon. Have an awesome day. See you later.